Introduce highlight features or overview summary of OBDEMOTO T1 motorcycle scanner. There are features include: Professional motorcycle scanner. The OBDEMOTO T1 is an OE-level motorcycle diagnostic tool capable of scanning all available modules, including ECM, ABS, and body control. It goes beyond basic code reading by offering full OBD2 functions, read/clear DTCs, live data stream, freeze frame, actuator tests, and ECU information. Quickly turn off the check engine light, MIL, and pinpoint issues accurately to avoid unnecessary part replacements and costly shop visits. Extensive compatibility for 7 major brands. Engineered for motorcycles meeting OBD2 and Euro 5 standards, this motorcycle scanner provides enhanced diagnostics for Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, KTM, CFMOTO, and Vespa. The scanner tool package includes brand-specific adapter cables for a seamless, plug-and-play experience right out of the box. Note: function availability varies by year and model. Real-time voltage monitoring and battery health. Stay ahead of electrical failures with the dedicated battery voltage test feature. Monitor your motorcycle's battery status in real time to prevent unexpected starting issues and charging system malfunctions. This essential motorcycle scanner diagnostic tool ensures your bike's electrical heartbeat remains healthy, providing peace of mind before you hit the open road. Advanced maintenance and service functions. Take control of your motorbike's upkeep with professional service resets. Depending on the model, the motorcycle code reader supports oil light reset, ABS bleeding, ECU reset, and throttle calibration, TPS, setup. Easily clear service indicators, reset learned values, and verify system readiness after repairs, ensuring your motorcycle performs at its peak efficiency after every DIY maintenance session. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.